Have you ever wondered how to get bold, beautiful lips without compromising comfort? You know, something that lasts all day, but doesn't leave your lips feeling dry or cracked? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today with the Almay Lipstick with vitamin E oil and shea butter. This is a lip product that promises a silky smooth application, rich color impact, and a variety of finishes: matte, cream, and topper. Now let's talk about what makes this lipstick stand out. First off, it comes with a very user-friendly 0.14 ounce tube, which is the perfect size for your bag or makeup kit. It's formulated with vitamins E and C, which is an instant win for those who want some added skincare benefits in their lip product. Plus, shea butter in the formula means it's designed to hydrate and smooth the lips, important for anyone who's not a fan of that dry, tight feeling many matte lipsticks leave behind. And let's not forget that it's hypoallergenic, so it's ideal if you have sensitive skin or lips. This product comes in 24 shades with a mix of 12 cream finishes, 10 matte finishes, and 2 topper finishes. So whether you're into a bold matte look or something a bit more glossy, there's a shade and finish for you. The beige shade we're reviewing today is versatile, easy to wear, and adds that perfect touch of warmth without being too overpowering. In terms of usage, the lipstick glides on effortlessly, giving you that buttery smooth feeling you'd expect from a formula with shea butter and vitamin E. I found that it stayed comfortable throughout the day. There was no sticky residue or any of that cracked lips feeling that you sometimes get with long-wearing matte lipsticks. I wore it through my daily routine, eating and drinking, and it held up pretty well. It didn't transfer too much, and although it wasn't perfect after a long day, it did stay relatively intact. I was able to touch it up without any issues, which is definitely a plus for those of us who don't have time for constant lipstick checks. But let's talk about the cons. One downside is that the matte version, while comfortable, doesn't last as long as some of the more hardcore long-wear formulas on the market. So if you're looking for something ultra-durable, this might not be it. However, if you're more about comfort and ease of wear, then this could be a great option for you. Now let's talk about value for money. At a reasonable price point for a drugstore brand, Almay delivers on the promises of a smooth, hydrating, and highly pigmented lipstick. When considering the formula with vitamins and shea butter, plus the wide range of shades and finishes, I'd say it's good value. Comparing this to other lipsticks in the same price range, Almay definitely holds its own. You're getting a moisturizing formula that doesn't dry out your lips, something that can be rare in matte lipsticks, along with a creamy consistency that gives that full color impact. Some other drugstore brands might provide the same level of color, but not with the added skincare benefits this one offers. Now let's touch on build quality. The lipstick tube is sleek and feels sturdy, no flimsy plastic here. And as for longevity, while it didn't last all day without needing a touch-up, the overall wearability is impressive for a formula that's focused more on comfort than ultra-long wear. If you're looking for a great alternative, you could consider something like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, which is a bit more long-lasting, but doesn't offer the same comfort and skincare properties that Almay's version does. If comfort is your top priority, then Almay still has the edge. In terms of customer support, Almay is a reputable brand with responsive customer service. I didn't have to reach out to them for any issues with this particular product, but I know from experience that they handle inquiries well, making it a solid choice in terms of brand reliability. To wrap it all up, the Almay Lipstick with vitamin E oil and shea butter is an excellent choice for those seeking a moisturizing, comfortable lipstick with a beautiful matte finish. It's well suited for anyone who wants bold color without the dryness that typically comes with matte formulas. If you're on the hunt for a hydrating, smooth lipstick with a range of beautiful shades and finishes, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.